Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you an excellent face mask or else face cream to get rid of wrinkles. What is meant by wrinkles? Wrinkles, also known as rhytides, are folds in your skin. As you age, your skin produces less of the protein, collagen and elasticity. This makes your skin thinner, less resistant to damage. Environmental exposure, dehydration and toxins can all make your face more likely to develop pronounced wrinkles. So come guys, let's start how to make this remedy. For that, first of all, here I have taken the fat. This is the lamb fat here I have taken. If you want to take the cow fat also you can take. Here I have taken the lamb fat, and now I am going to melt that one by using a small pan. Just I am going to put that fat in a pan and I am going to melt that. Tallow is a powerful moisturizer loaded with wealth of nutrition, essential fatty acids and antioxidants. It is full of vitamin A, D and K and as well as the vitamin E, which will make our skin soft, moisture and also rejuvenates our skin. So see guys, here I have melted the tallow and I got the pure tallow oil from it. So now I am going to take out all the fat from that oil, and now I am going to make this cream face mask. First of all, here I am going to take that oil, tallow oil from the pan, and I will transfer into a bowl. Better to strain it guys, because there will be small particles will be in that, so we don't want any particles in our face cream. So I have strained it. Now you can see the tallow oil. It is now in this I am going to add first of all rice flour. In this here I am going to use 1 spoon of rice flour. Rice flour is good for brightening your skin and it is having anti-aging properties. It also absorbs excess oil from your skin. It will repair your skin, it will lighten your skin as well as it will make your skin soft, supple skin. So it will repair your skin also, and also it will take care from the sun damage also. So mix both these ingredients well. So my next ingredient here I am going to use is corn flour. Flour helps to get rid of dark spots. It will fight with the fine lines and wrinkles, absorb dirt and oil, helps our skin hydrate, brighten the skin, helps to reduce skin redness and dryness. And also it is the best for making any of the mask. You have to use corn flour instead of any other flour. This is the best thing for face mask, and it is having vitamin, and also it will prevent skin from the UV damage also. So my third ingredient here I am going to use is milk powder. Here I have taken the milk powder from the Union. You can use any of the brand whichever easily available in the market. In India you will get Amul or Nestle like that and all. So milk is having rich in lactic acid, which naturally cleans and brightens your skin. Besides skin lightening, which makes milk powder, and it will get rid of skin of unwanted impurities like blackheads and whiteheads also. So now mix all these 3 ingredients well. Mixing part is the very important guys. So next ingredient here I am going to add is lemon, vitamin C and also antioxidant that will helps to reduce the skin damage and premature aging. And also it is having high pH level. Lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduces the inflammation, and also it is having anti-inflammatory properties also. Lemon is called as the skin lightening property, which will makes our skin lightening also. So here I have taken half lemon. You can, if you are having big lemon, means you can take it into 2 spoon of lemon, because here I have taken the small lemon, so I have taken the half lemon. Mix all these ingredients. Now you can keep it like this itself if you want to apply this one on your face as a pack. If you want to make this as a cream, so now I will prefer to cook for some more time, for 2 to 3 minutes. So again I am going to transfer this into a pan, and I will keep it on the gas flame for 2 to 3 minutes, because we are going to store this cream for 1 to 2 months. It will be good. You can store it in the refrigerator. But when you are keeping this on a gas flame, you have to rotate your spatula, if not it will be burnt. So, only for 2 to 3 minutes you have to make this cream. You can see guys how it is after it was coming to the boil, you can switch off the flame. This cream will be very effective guys. Until I am rotating my spatula, those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, kindly like and share among your friends and family members, so that they also will be benefit from my videos. I promise you all I will bring the latest videos to you all. So see guys, now you can see it was coming to the burn. Now I am going to switch off the flame. After that, keep it for some time, let it be cooled down, and then you can transfer into a glass jar, so that you can store it in the refrigerator. I preferred glass jar only guys, don't use the plastic one, eco-friendly. So here I have stored this one into a container, and you can keep it in the refrigerator, and then it will become hard, and then you can use it on your hands and as well as on your face. Apply it in the night time and wash it in the morning time. This will be very useful for them those having wrinkles. I hope this will be very useful video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members. Thank you. Meet you next video. Bye.